So when I type, and let's say I make a mistake. And I want that to say mistake. If I go here to correct it, and I say, or I just press this here, mistake, mistakes in. I press mistakes, let me do the mistakes. You see it leaves this, it leaves this little bit here. And I just want to change the word to mistakes. Now, yes, I know if I put it on the end at the right, it would do it for me. But that doesn't always work for me. If I, like here, if I just hit it, it'll spell it for me. But, sometimes I just want to make a little change. And let's say I go here to put in A for change, or I could press change here, right? If I just want to make a little change, I just want to just do the entire word, not leave this little scrap at the end. So that's the scrap I'm talking about in the comment. So that would be, if that were taken care of, that would be perfect. Because what I really like about SwiftKey is that I can do multiple words and just going over the space bar. Samsung used to do this, but they broke theirs. They now have a limit of characters, but here I could keep doing more and more and more and more if I want it. And so if we could make that one little change about the dirt at the end, if I'm spelling person and I want it to be, like, sometimes I accidentally hit that. That does bother me. I want it to be person. And I change that. If I say, I can just press this here. It leaves this little dirt at the end. That character. I just want to change the word and not bump whatever to the right of the space bar. I'm sorry, to the right of the cursor, and make that part of the phrase.